Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coreprotect in Minecraft. Coreprotect is an essential plugin for any Minecraft server administrator, providing comprehensive logging of all block changes and player interactions. It acts as your server's memory, recording every placement, breakage, and container access. This powerful tool allows you to easily monitor activity, identify issues, and maintain a secure and fair environment for all players. It's incredibly useful for preventing griefing and quickly resolving disputes. Now let's dive into inspecting block history. To begin, simply type /co-inspect or the shorter /co-I into your chat. This activates a special inspection mode. With this mode active, you can left-click any block to instantly see its entire history, including who placed or broke it and when. Right-clicking a container like a chest will reveal who accessed its inventory and what items were moved. It's a powerful way to see exactly what happened. Next, we'll cover how to roll back unwanted changes. The /co rollback command is your best friend for fixing griefing or mistakes. You can specify a radius, a time frame, and even a specific player to target the changes you want to revert. For example, /co rollback t, 5mr10u, player name would revert changes by player name within a 10-block radius from 5 minutes ago. If you make a mistake, /co restore can undo your last rollback. Finally, let's explore some advanced querying options to make your investigations even more precise. You can filter your searches by specific block types using the B parameter like B, stone. To look for particular actions, use A, break for block destruction, or A, place for block placement. Combining these parameters such as /co-lt, 1 day, break B, diamond ore, allows you to pinpoint exactly what you need, like who broke diamond ore in the last 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.